Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Leo placement. So, yeah, this is a reading money and love the rest of November. Okay, so again, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading again, yes, message na lang po, no, sa atin pong FB page. Ganon din po pagdating sa ating mga charms. Okay, so ito yung ating mga charms. So ito po yung pangtanggal ng blockage. Okay, yung ating cord cut. So ano ba yung mga blockage na yan? Kung sino man at ano man ang nagbibigay sa'yo ng bigat, yun po yung mga blockage, no? So ito po is panglahatan na, no? And yeah, yung ating 2-in-1 love and money bracelet, available yan. So, ganun din. Yung ating granter necklace. So, pareho silang may ibibigay sa'yo, syempre. Yun nga lang, kung may blockage ka, hindi yan papasok. May ipon lang sa frequency mo. Okay? Kasi hindi sila makakapasok sa'yo kung meron kang harang. Which is ito ang pwedeng makapagtanggal. Ha? Okay. And yeah, available ang ating mga evil eye protection. Yung ating, ang tawag dyan, cleansing kit is available rin po. No? Yung cleansing and recharging kit natin, siya yung tumutulong para ma-energize yung inyong mga charms and ma-cleanse din po, no, yung inyong mga charms. Kung may crystal kayo, pwede rin yon. Okay, so pasensya na po sa aking boses. Ako ay may sipon at ubo. So, Leo, unahin natin yung iyong kaperahan. The rest of November. Anong meron? Leo, okay. Leo. Competition. Some of you may mga paghahandaan na competition, no, pwedeng, yeah. Anong meron dyan sa competition na yan? Okay. Meron ditong loan denied. Mamaya ako i-clarify itong competition gamit ang tarot. Okay? So, meron doon na loan denied entrap. Okay? Entrap. O, diba? Entrepreneur. And negotiate. So, meron energy dito, mga Leos, no, na pwedeng, if you're into business, okay, if you're into business or meron kang niraran na business ngayon, so nakakuha ko ng energy na parang may mga competition, no? May mga challenges pagdating po sa dyan sa business na kung anong meron man. Okay? So, may chance po na pwedeng dagdagan nyo, no, yung inyong mga hustle. Yes, hindi lang yung business na meron kayo, hangga't maaari dagdagan nyo. Okay, meron ditong loan denied. Some of you pwedeng may inaasahan ka. Okay, pero yan nga, kung ma-deny man yung loan or yung pera na inaasahan mo is hindi dumating, is meron kang mapagkukunan pang iba if ever. No, just be ready pagdating po sa inyong pamemera. Yeah, see? Saving money. O, diba? So, meron pa ditong negotiate. So, some of you, a lot of transaction maybe this, for the rest of November. See? New assets. O, diba? Mga bagong hustle. Yung hindi lang kayo magfo-focus sa isa, kailangan yung dagdagan. Okay? Kung kailangan yung mag-invest, kung kailangan yung makipag-partner up, partnership, para may dagdag pa sa inyong income, do it. Okay, Leos? So, there. So, tingnan natin tong competition. Okay. What's, with this competition? Clarify lang natin. For Leo placements, competition. Four of Swords. Some of you, kailangan yung paghandaan talaga. Kung iba sa inyo, this is like literal na competition. May mga pinaghahandaan. Some of you, kailangan yung mag-rest. Yung iba sa inyo na sobrang pinaghahandaan, kailangan nyo na ng pahinga. Okay, kailangan na po. So, meron ditong money. Or this could be an energy of sabihin natin may matatanggap ka na award if ever, money if ever. Okay, so Four of Swords. Some of you, maging mas strategy. Strategy. Dapat marami kang strategy. Plan A, Plan B, Plan C, if ever. See? Options. Okay po. So, yun ha. Channeled kasi yung nakikita ko. Kaya una kong nababanggit. So, nakikita na lang sa card pag binunot. No? So, nauunahan na natin. So, yun nga. Oo. So, sa competition, paghanda ang maigi. Pero, wag mong kakalimutan yung pahinga. Okay? Meron akong nakita. Meron akong naaral noon. If you are parang pinaghahandaan mo is exam, licensure exam. May nabasa ako na parang 1 week before the exam, dapat hindi ka na nag-aaral nun. I don't know why. Parang okay, gawin mo na lahat ng gusto mong gawin. Maglibang ka na. I don't know why. Yeah. I don't know, may psychology explanation kung ano man kemerut. Okay? Tingnan nyo rin. Okay, so there. Let's see. So, tayo tumungo sa tarot. Ano bang meron pa sa mga Leo placements? Okay, so again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, Leo. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Seven of Pentacles in reversed. Yeah, this is investing. Ten of Swords. Some of you, this is not for all. May nakita ko dito na pwedeng ikaw ay maisahan. Okay? Pwedeng some of you, dapat ikaw itong hindi mo all in, all out. Sa kung saan man yung pag-i-investan mo. This is a gabay. Kasi baka ma-backstab ka. Okay? Baka ma-backstab ka. Hanggat maaari, meron ka pang naititira or matitira na pera. Kung ikaw yung mag-i-invest, wag mong all in. Parang ganun. I don't know. So, Ten of Cups. This is an energy of marriage, energy ng occasion, being together, parang getting together, parang ganyan, an occasion, family gatherings, mga ganyan. Yeah, I think some of you, this is like a kasal, or like a gender reveal, mga ganyang bagay. Okay? Or, yeah, a family gathering. Parang may ganyan pwedeng mangyari bago mag-end ang November. Okay? May mabubuong pamilya bago mag-end ang November. May mabubuo pong pamilya. Yeah. Again, the Queen of Pentacles. And this is good health. Four of Pentacles. Again, now in the reverse. So, investing more on your health, mga Leo. Okay? Ito, Temperance. Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Yung iba rito, pwedeng mag-i-invest more sa iyong kalusugan. No? May mga bibilin ka, something, vitamins, maybe. Okay? It's like wellness. Yeah. The Magician. Okay. So, some of you, I'm seeing you reconnecting with a mother figure or a father figure na pwedeng hindi mo nga na kasama ng matagal. Okay, yeah, the sun in reverse. Matagal mo nang hindi nakita, matagal mo nang hindi nakasama. And now, I'm hearing and seeing reconnection with those people by the end of November. Okay, so next, your person, let's see. Your person, the person on your mind, Leo. The person on your mind. Who is this? The person on your mind. Leo placements. Oh, the Emperor. Could be an Aries. A boss. Ma-ego, ma-pride. They're guarded. They rule. Okay, they rule. Ten of Swords. Pwedeng may nangyaring ending sa inyo nitong taong to. May pagmamatigas sa part niya. Yeah, they're trying to avoid or saying no to you right now. Okay. Air sign. Gemini, Libra, Aqua. Meron ding Aries. Excuse me. So, this is an ex na nagmamatigas. Anong kailangan nung malaman, Leo? The Six of Wands Universe. This is an energy of jealous. Yeah, jealous. Feeling jealous. The World inversed. Andun yung attachments pa rin, mga Leos. Yeah. The Six of Cups. This is attachments. Pwede matagal na kayo nitong taong to. Meron ditong excuse me, nasanay. May nasanay dito. Yung isa kasi laging okay, laging open, laging available. Kaya bigay. And then, yung isa naman is meron ditong naging mabait actually, Leo. Pwedeng yung person mo naging mabait and now they know how to give limits, no? To have limits pagdating sa situation nyo. Yes. I think. Nandun yung energy na parang revenge. Gusto ko mainggit ka sa akin. Gusto ko ganito makita mo. Gusto ko ganyan, ganito. It's like a revenge. Kaya may pagmamatigas dito with from your person. Unfinished. Still unfinished yung inyong situation. Anong tingin sa'yo nito, Leo? Anong tingin niya sa'yo? The Ten of Cups. Tingin ng taong to sa'yo, dapat ikaw na eh. Ikaw yung gusto niya makakasama forever. Open ka na sa family. Parang ganyan, the Ten of Cups. The Seven of Wands. Gusto ko nitong ipaglaban, actually. Gusto ko niya ipaglaban. Yun nga lang, parang dumating sa punto na naging matigas na siya sa'yo, Leo. Yeah, see the Hierophant? The Hierophant is an energy of marriage, long-term connection. They see that. They saw that. Okay? I think kinip ka nung person ng matagal. Okay? Naging soft yung person sa'yo before. Pero now, I think marunong na silang maglagay ng boundaries sa situation nyo. Okay? So, how do you see them? Leo, how do you see your person right now? The Fool. Tingin mo sa kanya is parang may mga bago nang nangyayari sa buhay. They're like free. Parang ganyan. Yeah, and the devil. Parang tingin mo nakaalis siya sa pagkakagapos sa'yo. Parang, oo. Now, some of them, they're healing. Okay? So, medyo okay naman yung energy ng person. Yun nga lang, andun yung revenge. Okay? Ang pinanghuhugutan ng person mo is yung nangyari sa inyo. Hindi ko alam. Pwedeng andun pa rin yung hatred. Maybe. Okay? Pwedeng meron kasing hugot yung person mo. Pero ginagawa niyang motivation, maybe the failure ng inyong connection. Okay? Ginagawa niyang motivation yun para to move forward, to grow, to improve. Okay? Pero mabigat pa rin yung loob nitong taong to sa'yo kung sakali man. Okay? I don't care kung sino man ang nakagawa ng pagkakasala, pero yung situation itself, yun yung parang doon sinisisi lahat. Okay? Hindi naging okay yung situation, hindi nagkaroon ng intindihan, mga ganyang bagay. So, yeah. Okay? I think the person still loves you. They still love you. Yes, unfinished. So, tayo muna. So, all signs for you, Leo placements. Ours through Pisces. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leos. Okay. So, there. So, Aries, ayaw nila ng conflict. Taurus, they're bitter. Gemini, they want another chance. Pero, parang make-up sex ang nakikita ko. They're bitter, actually. Okay. So, Cancer. Why Leo? Oh my gosh. Tama ba yung sinabi ko? Aries, Taurus, Gemini. Gemini, they want another chance, maybe with you. Or pwedeng ikaw ito sa isang Gemini. Could be vice versa. So, a false start with a Gemini. Okay? So, Cancerians, feeling hopeless pagdating sa situation. Some of them, they want another chance. A new beginning. So, Leo, ayaw nila ng drama. Okay. Virgo, dismayado. Okay, or may mga regrets. Si Virgo. Mayroon po tayong angel number 555 para sa lahat. Okay, so it's the energy of going through changes, or maybe changes is coming in. Okay, in general. So next is Libra. Libra is distancing, walking away. So Scorpio, they're unhappy, feeling incomplete. Hindi sila kontento sa kung anong meron. Sagittarius, they're dropping you, or feeling nila dinadrop mo na sila. Excuse me. So, Capricorn, ayaw nila mag-focus pagdating sa situation nyo. Okay, so Aquarius, they're waiting. They're like on a crossroads, some of them. And Pisces, okay, so nandoon yung tower moment. Ngayon lang nakaka-realize si Pisces ng kung ano-ano man. Parang ngayon lang nagsisink in everything. Okay, kung ano man yung mga nangyayari sa inyo ngayon. So there. Yeah, yun ang ating reading for you, Leo. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, follow our FB page and yung isa po nating YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Again, thank you. Goodbye.